Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to redirect from HTTP to HTTPS in Godaddy. So let's get started. So at first we need to visit godaddy.com, and after that we need to log into our Godaddy account, and now we will go to my products page, and after that we will scroll down to domain section, and here it will show us all the domains that we have purchased from Godaddy. So next to our domain name, we will see a DNS option. So we are going to click on it. And after that, we will scroll down to forwarding section. And then we will click on add forwarding. And now from here, we are going to select HTTPS. And now in the destination URL, we are going to enter our domain name. And after that, we will click on save changes. So in this way, our HTTP will be redirected to HTTPS. But in case this one is not working for you, then we are going to do this with the another method. So we will go back to Godaddy main page, and now from here we are going to scroll down to web hosting section, and next to our web hosting we will see a manage button. So we are going to click on it, and after that we are going to click on cPanel admin, and this will take us to our cPanel account. Now from the file section we are going to click on file manager. File manager contains all the website files, and now from here we are going to click on public_HTML, and after that from the top we are going to click on settings, and then we will click on this checkbox show hidden files, and after that we will click on save. So now we will start seeing all the hidden files of our website. So we are going to edit this .htaccess file. If this file is available in your website files, then that's great. If not, then you can create a .htaccess file from here. From the top, just click on this file icon, and after that just give it a name .htaccess, and then click on create new file. But as .htaccess file is already available in my website files, so I am going to edit this one. So now I will click on the top, and after that I will press enter, and now I am going to paste a code here. You can find this code in the video description, and after that I will click on save changes. So in this way our domain HTTP will be redirected to HTTPS. So this is how you can redirect HTTP to HTTPS in Godaddy. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.